earn 50k per month without any investment. Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share a platform where you can earn up to 50k per month without any investment. You can earn money by promoting financial products in your network. So it is simple. Let's suppose if people want to open a bank account, so if you promote a product in that particular platform, then ultimately you will earn some money. Similarly, if people want to open Met account, if you refer the apps in that particular application, then ultimately you will earn some money. So it is how you can earn money by using this product that I'm going to suggest. So I will share my screen and I will show the interface of that, and I will also explain how you can actually earn that. So the app that I'm talking about is Gromo. So Gromo is an app where you can sell financial products and earn up to 50,000 every month. So if you can see the app, you can sell different kind of financial services, like you can sell savings account, you can sell demat account, you can sell digital gold, you can sell credit cards, and you can also see some incentives here. So if you sell a savings account of a particular thing, you can earn up to 400. If you sell a demat account, you can earn up to 200, and if it's a savings account, you can earn up to 200. And credit card. So there are many financial products available in this app. Just you have to do is you need to click on a particular thing, and when you click on a particular thing, you will get this link called share. So when you click the share, you can see a training video on how you can actually promote that in your network. So all you have to do is you will get the link. After that, you need to share that in your network so that you can earn a commission after successful download or successful application. So it is how you can earn using Gromo. So there are various options available there. So you can find the link of the Gromo app in the description. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it really helps. So if you like this video and if you want someone else to know about it, please share this video in your network. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.